white place of death. It's a non-existent space that contains black creatures, and it is almost impossible to escape from this space. Only if you run into the depths of the white space for a very long time and do not fall into the hands of black creatures. If you manage to get out of the escape space, then you will see a black door in the distance, and you either need to run into it or fly in. When you get out, you will end up in a random place. If you fail to escape from it, and a black creature catches you, then you will perish forever, and you will no longer be able to return to life, even if you are a god or a half-god. Black creatures. Creatures called the darkness of death. Long-legged creatures that can reproduce. They do not move, but just fly at you while standing. They can catch up with you if you run slowly or walk. These creatures are very strong, and it is impossible to break away from them. Mystery place. Many years ago, this space was existing, and it was possible to get there using the code 2987 a white space. You could walk safely there, and you could meet other people who got there, and you could also move from one place to another. But, in 2003 year, this place became infected with an unknown virus, which is why it ceased to exist, and it is no longer possible to get there if you enter the code and name. An unknown virus has infected this space with a black thing that can no longer be eliminated. The black thing mutated and turned into black creatures called the darkness of death. After this story, this white space was renamed the white space of death.